Hi, I'm Jane Esselstyn.
I'm Ann Esselstyn.
And today we have dueling food processors to make different dressings. And our two categories of dressings are going to be plant perfect and plant strong. But they're all going to be plants only. So why don't you want to talk about yours first?
No, you go. You go.
Well, my recipe is from the Engine 2 cookbook, and it's on page 94, and it's called Dragon Dressing. And it's called that because our son Zeb loves this dressing, and his favorite book growing up was a book called Herb the Vegetarian Dragon. I think you got him the book, and we had to read it to him every night, and it's a wonderful story. And as a parent with 3 little kids, you'd be reading, and I'd sort of skip a few sections sometimes, and he'd be like, "Oh, no, you missed the section about the garden or whatever." And anyway, I love that he loved the book, and I love that he loves this dressing. So this dragon dressing has got a bunch of fantastic ingredients in it. It's got rice vinegar, about 3 tablespoons. It's got tamari, which is low-sodium soy sauce. It's got a little hit of maple syrup, and it's got some minced ginger.
Could you just take a piece of fresh ginger?
Just mince it up. And a couple cloves of garlic, and a third a cup of water. And then what makes this be plant strong and not plant perfect is that it has peanut butter in it. And this is what also gives it a nice body, and I know this is why.
It's so
Our
good.
son liked it so much. So this, I then just whirled all together, and it'll be my dressing. I'll wait to whirl till you make your dressing, and then we'll have a whirl off.
Well, my dressing is in the pink salad dressing.
Oh,
yeah, sriracha.
Little hit of this. Go ahead.
And I have made this, it starts with a beet. And I've made it with the regular red beets, and it's really red. So I like to get the Chioggia beets. This has been cooked, and they are lighter in color. For instance, you can see that inside it's a kind of a pretty pink, not quite as deep red as the red beets.
That was like watermelon.
So I am going to put the beets in here, and I am going to stick in a couple cloves of garlic.
You chop yours ahead of time? Good for you.
Well, I'm just going to chop it up a little in here. No, I can do it all together. And then I am going to take an orange, and I'm going to cut both ends off.
I'll peel it.
No! And then I'm going to do this. I mean, you could peel it. I should have given it to Jane to peel, but
I'll take it.
But I love peeling oranges like this. There's just something about it. You get it all in one big long peel.
I like to peel it in one peel. You gave me the one peel, Jean, but I don't like to cut it. I like to just use my hands.
Well, anyway, I am happy doing this. Sorry. We should get another. You would probably have finished peeling it by the time I'm done. But anyway,
cool.
Here it is. And then I am just going to chop this up. And this, you could also use orange juice. And you could probably do it with about a little less than a cup. And then I'm going to...
You get the fiber and the...
You know what I meant to do? I meant to zest it. I've never tried to zest.
Don't zest the sticker. Let's get the sticker out of the way.
I'm going to just try a little zesting when you've done this. But it doesn't really work so easily. But it's good to zest. I love to zest everything.
The whole kitchen smells, feels, and glistens with orange right now.
Anyway, there's that. And then I am going to take a lemon, and I'm going to ask Jane to do her magic with the lemon. I need about 2 tablespoons of lemon, and I'll just do some of the zest here too. A little lemon zest. Jane,
So am I peeling it or squeezing it?
I just want to juice.
Oh.
And then I am going to put in, I need to get a tablespoon. I want to put in a couple of tablespoons of balsamic vinegar.
How much are we doing again?
2 tablespoons.
Oh, that's a juicy one. You think that's enough?
It's never enough lemon.
Why did I even ask? Why'd I even ask?
So, and then I'm going to put in 2 tablespoons of lemon balsamic. This happens, now any white balsamic will keep it from getting, to keep it a little lighter color. And you can do this actually to taste if you think it needs more or less. And then I'm just going to whirl all this together. Now this is my nightly dressing. I love things.
Do you really want me to do all this more?
I don't know. We can see.
Well, I'll just do that and we'll come back if we need more.
The sad thing is it didn't get the good orange zest.
Yeah,
in
why
there.
here? We can keep.
No, we're good. We're good.
How'd you do that?
It was hard. All right, so we start.
All right, ready, go. Woo! We have a quick announcement to make, actually 3 announcements. First one is you're all invited to Well Now Camp.
Jane has
Well
that special way of
now.
saying "well now." Say it the way you
Everyone
say it.
has a great way. Well now, well now, well now.
And it is really fun.
And this camp is for plant-based women warriors or people who want to just try for those 4 days to be a plant-based woman warrior. But the camp is June 4th to 7th, and we have an early bird discount that lasts until December 31st. So please sign up today at janeesselstyn.com or at campwella.com. And the next announcement, go ahead.
There was such a great variety of amazing people at that camp. That was the
Such
most fun part.
wonderful.
And oh my gosh, we did such fun things. I couldn't believe some of the things we did that I couldn't believe what fun it was.
Oh, activities that way. And we will we have a big demo we're going to do, hands-on fun demo. And another announcement is in March, on March 7th, is the Prevent and Reverse Heart Disease and Cancer for Women Conference here in Cleveland, Ohio at the Cleveland Clinic Wellness Institute. Dr. Christy Funk will be there. She's coming from California, and she's a breast cancer surgeon and researcher. So exciting. And Colin Campbell will be there.
Well, and
Campbell.
my husband.
Oh,
You forgot.
I never forget Daddy. He's
And-
the keynote speaker, but he's always
And to
there.
have both Colin and my
Yes.
husband on the same program is so exciting because they are such
They're the originals.
Originals,
They're the
originals.
originals.
Yeah.
And the last announcement I want to make is that I'm sure you've noticed this lovely shirt I'm wearing. It is a limited edition T-shirt, and it says, this is a lemon, and it says, Acid Queen. It is in honor of my mom and the influence she's had on all of us and all of our food with her acidic tendencies.
well, it hasn't caught on to all of you exactly, but what it did is it caught on enough that our granddaughter, Cryle, designed it. She's a great
Designed
artist.
this T-shirt. And we also have some other limited edition things on the website, which...
Oh my gosh! This is the cutest thing I've ever seen that you've got.
A little-
I love it. I wish it fit.
A onesie. Actually, onesies are coming back into style. This is November 2019.
Too small.
In case this is for a 12-month-old, and we also have a limited edition of our Enjoy Kale T-shirts. So please go to janeesselstyn.com to find some T-shirts today. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
What I love about mine is that everything in here is really good to eat. It's something you want to eat, and in fact, it's so good you can eat it with a spoon.
Is yours?
And
yeah,
I
yours is
did,
like kind of-
I did this the other day. I did it with a red beet, and actually it's gotten a little thick. But I think it's a little too dark, and you can see how with the Chioggia beet.
Why was it too dark?
It's
It looks great.
Well, I thought it was a little dark.
Oh, for salad,
in
it
the
would
salad
take
dressing.
over.
It
I
just
see.
it made the salad look not so appetizing
Well, here's
as this does.
This seems too big. I'm gonna get
It's lemony, but it's
Oh,
really,
did I put too much lemon in?
no, but it's good.
Oh, boom!
Woo!
Boom! Wow! I'm alive, and so is that dressing. My visibility will return soon. Woo!
And what I like to do with salad dressings
Woo!
is put them in a jar and oop,
I'm gonna put mine in a jar too. We save all of our jars from various salsas.
The salsa
or
jars.
jam, or I think
The
it's mostly
salsa jar seems to be the best. You know why?
We can. Oh, you're big.
The salsa jar seems so good because the labels come off them quickly. You don't have to put them in the dishwasher for a month.
Scrub. All right. Will you try my dragon dressing?
Well, delicious. But this is delicious too.
Oh, they're both great.
They're both good. This
They're both
is
great.
a little lemony, but actually in your salad, a little lemony would be good.
All right. Well, make your
Gorgeous.
Plant Perfect. What's the name of your dressing again?
In the pink
In the-
salad dressing.
That's racy.
Isn't that a good dressing?
In the pink
Title.
salad dressing or dragon dressing. Let us know what you have on your salad. Thanks so much.
In the pink, please.
Bye.